let us start the activity that we are going to do, and we are going to make some paper butterflies. The things that we require for this activity are definitely paper. You can use colorful sheets or white sheets. I'm going to use the white ones because what I'm going to do is I'm going to color them myself. So colored pencil and a pair of scissors. Let's start the activity then. Let me put these away, and this is a square piece of paper that I need. What I have to do is I will fold it like this so that it becomes a triangle. Okay, so we have to fold the piece of paper. Now once I have done that, I'm going to open the paper again and fold it one more time. Okay, like this. So this is the shape that we are going to get. So we have folded it into another triangle. Now we will open the paper again. See, the outline is of a square and there are 4 triangles. So we are doing theme time as well as revising our shapes. Now we will fold it like this so that you will get a, what is this shape? A rectangle. Okay, a rectangle. Again, open the paper like this, and I think you've guessed it right. We are going to fold it so that we get another rectangle. All we did was we folded the paper. Okay, we had a square, then we folded it so that it became a triangle. We folded it again like this, then we folded it to make a rectangle, and then again we folded it and made it into another rectangle. Now we have to fold the paper like this. Gently we'll have to do it because we are going to fold the paper. See, the paper will look like this and we have to fold in the paper. Now be very gentle. Okay, one side and then like this. Okay, so this is what we get. Now you can fold the paper and we have to fold it again into a small triangle. Okay, see, like this, fold it and hold the paper like this. What we want to do is we want to cut this portion. See, we have to draw a shape, an oval shape like this, because the corners over here are pointy. So I want to make the corners like this, a bit rounded. Don't make that rounded shape over here. Okay, and we are going to cut these pointy corners like this. like this. Okay, now we don't need the scissors, so I'm going to put it away, and let's see what the shape looks like now. This is what our triangle will look like now. Okay, the pointy corner on one side and the curved corners like this. Now we will turn it upside down and fold in these two flaps. Okay, like you make an aeroplane. Yes, fold it one side and like this. Okay, so the folds will come somewhere over here. Is that okay? Is that looking good? Fold the flaps like this, and the two flaps will be over here. Now I have to fold this part. Okay, we have to fold this part like this. Turn it like this. Okay, so that it comes over here. If you can see, the pointy bit is on the other side now. Initially it was here. We are going to fold it like this, and the butterfly looks like this. Now this pointy bit has to be folded again. We have to fold it. Okay, so press it down, press it hard, and we fold it one more time. One more time. So this is what our butterfly is going to look like. See? Is that okay? Let us make this butterfly colorful now. I am going to use black. Now we can color our butterflies. I am going to make a black and orange butterfly, and the black and the orange butterflies are called monarch butterflies. Okay, we are going to learn about butterflies next week. We will learn about their life cycle and see what do they eat and how do they fly, how many wings do they have, how many eyes do they have. Okay, now I'll use another orange. See, this is what my butterfly will look like when I color the other side. I'm going to show you some other butterflies that we had made earlier. This is the one that Ishani made. So she's colored it and she has made the butterfly wings spotty and stripy. You can be as creative as you want. And this little butterfly has 3 colors, and you have to be very creative with the colors you want to choose. And I'll be waiting for your butterflies. And remember, you all had done the craft where you had made butterflies with paint, and I saw all those beautiful butterflies. You can make those butterflies as well. So now we know how to make butterflies using paint, and we are going to try making butterflies using paper. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this activity, and this activity is going to keep you busy over the weekend. And have a safe weekend, and we will meet next week now.